Hey everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this 2021 Jeep Wrangler that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the Jeep today just to show you some of the options that it has to offer. Starting with, it is a custom build unit, so our parts and service teams have paired up to add a lift kit on this Jeep, as well as some aftermarket rims and tires. So you do have a set of fuel rims there, and Nexen, Rodian, MTX tires. So a couple of cool, great upgrades included on this Jeep. As we come around towards the back here, you can see it is equipped with your backup camera as well as your rear parks sensors. So you can see the sensors that are across that back bumper. So just to check out some of the features inside now. So the Jeep itself is in the leather interior, so very comfortable for you and your passengers. You do have your rubber floor mats included both front and back, so again, great little accessory you don't have to worry about post-purchase. You do have your one-touch power roof as well equipped on this Jeep. And just to check out some of the features up front here, so you can see your touchscreen display area, very user-friendly interface, a lot of great features packed in there. So you do have access to, of course, all your audio media controls, climate controls in through there, heated front seats, heated steering wheel. You can toggle your backup camera and your camera in the front on and off there. Access to just some of the apps that are included, navigation, your Bluetooth capabilities, and your settings. Just below that, again, access just some of your basic audio media controls, climate controls in through there as well, your power windows, your media ports just in behind there as well. You also do have your push button start, so you can see the key fob for the Jeep right here. Remote start's included, so again, another great feature you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Steering wheel mounted control, so you do have access to all your cruise control options, Bluetooth, Uconnect capabilities. In behind the steering wheel, access to your audio media controls, so you can easily keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. But if you're looking for a step up in your next ride, this Jeep custom build Jeep Wrangler could be for you. If you have questions about this unit, please feel free to give us a call, 780-826-2999, or visit us online at www.bonnyvilledodge.com.